Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So we got an unboxing here again. This is some 3S Lipos. Sorry about that. So we got some 3S Lipos here. We'll go ahead and package them. Just like the other ones. Alright, let's go ahead and test these. I do got a 6S pack coming. Still want to order another one. So it should be in by tomorrow. So I'm going to do that unboxing with this one. But let's see where we at. Alright, not bad. Let's go ahead and get that next one out. Same nice quality. These got cut off on the other ones. Let me go ahead and test this and show you guys. Alright, not bad. So I did put bullets on my other ones. Let me show y'all that. Got bullets up there, both of those. So, like I said in the last video, when you purchase these two, when you purchase whatever batteries you buy, at the bottom, it got $17.99 with a slash and says 0. And then you just tap add to the cart, free battery. So there you go with that one. I got my other one right here. So that's 2. Still got another one coming tomorrow with a 6S pack. So that'll be 3 3S's for free. Not bad. Right now I got some 2 3S's I'm gonna try out and some 4S's. And then I'm gonna stay tuned for the 6S's. And you guys stay in tune for that unboxing as well with this one. It's gonna be right after this vid. Alright, YouTube, back with another unboxing. This is supposed to be the 6S. Oh yeah. So 6S 65C, 22.2 volts. I only got one for now. I am going to go ahead and order another one. And as y'all know, if y'all been watching the videos, there you go. So this is the 3rd one right here. I'm on my way out the door. I got to solder these as I get to the run where I'm about to run at. I got everything else charged up, ready to go. So let's go ahead and test these. Probably throw this out tonight. Throw this unboxing out tonight, but let me see if y'all can see that. Make sure y'all seeing that. Sorry about that. All right. Yeah, that's on the money. 6S. All right, so y'all know what's coming next. We're gonna go ahead and run these. We got the 3S's and we got the 4S's. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get them all a test. This is not no sponsorship. I bought all these batteries with my own money. They just look like some good quality batteries for the price. Couldn't beat it. So I went ahead and grabbed some. So now y'all know I got 3 3S's for free. Can't beat that. Anyway, thank y'all guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for the test of all the batteries.